I've heard this has beaten Hellcats, Teslas, Plaids. Oh shit. Oh. YouTube. We back with another one. Y'all know it is your boy, Witness. Back with a very anticipated car, Ioniq 5. Inline, all-wheel drive. Yes, sirski. We do have something quick. I've heard this has beaten Hellcats, Teslas, Plaids, everything in between, man. Yes, we are fresh from the wash. As y'all can see, still dripping wet. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, let me give y'all a little glimpse of the interior. It is a beautiful car, man. Buttons, gears everywhere, all over this car. With the glowing and on the bucket seats, so fire. But yeah, man, we are about to hop into this, and this also has augmented gear shifters. You'll be able to hear the car idle, downshift, upshift, whatever we need to do. And y'all know how it go, man. I'ma always take y'all with me, so let's do it. What's up, y'all, man? It is your boy Witness, and we are with something very anticipated. Like I said previously, this is my first Hyundai featured on my channel, and yes, oh shit, oh shit. My bad, y'all. I had to do a little adjustment. But this thing sounds pretty good for it to be fake. I feel like the downshifts could be a little bit better. But yeah, man. As you can see, man, we are in the inline, nice, beautiful Hyundai today. Not your regular Hyundai. This is the Ioniq. Yeah, man, fully electric. If you're wondering, I know you guys hear the burbles and the downshifts and whatnot. But yeah, man, we are in something a little bit different today. Not the regular stuff you see on my channel. Let's get a little pull in. Just a little pull. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, man, hope y'all doing all right, man. This is going to be somewhat of a shorter video, but I definitely wanted to get it in when I had the chance. This is a super cool car, man. You may see it again depending on what y'all like about it. But yeah, as you can see, man, the steering wheel, we do have this boost button, which is the big ass orange button right here. You can't miss it. I know you guys are wondering what these two end buttons are. One of them actually turns off the augmented exhaust, and the other one changes your dash, which I cannot show right now. Let me see. Yeah, so it won't let me show you, but it changes the dash. We have a full screen LCD display, and then we also have, you know, some wireless charging going on here, some USB-C ports. You got your 360 cameras, and just some cup holders and things like that. Your shifter gears and your windshield wipers lights, you know, regular. But yeah, man, this is a pretty cool car, man. I cannot lie, man. The bucket seats are beautiful. And I feel like this car can maybe give a Hellcat a run for his money. You feel what I'm saying? I would love to race somebody maybe later in the future. But as of right now, we are just going on a little cruise. I wanted to get some more content with you guys, but I'm not able to at this moment. So yeah, man, y'all just enjoy the few little pulls that I got going on for y'all today. And yeah, I hope y'all are doing all right. I hope y'all are doing good. I hope y'all enjoying all the videos, man. We're going to keep working, keep pushing out content. I told you I got the most versatile channel. You feel what I'm saying? So, yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Stick with me, man. This is your boy Witness. So I'm going to let y'all just enjoy the car. just wanted to make an outro for you guys, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. My camera did cut off, unfortunately, but we're all good. I just want to say y'all stay tuned for the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe, man. Become a member. And yeah, y'all be safe. Appreciate y'all for tuning in.